Welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at trekking over Donner Pass. Due to the high altitude and frequent heavy snowfalls, Donner Pass, located in the Sierra Nevada mountains between California and Nevada, is a key trekking route, especially along Interstate 80, which connects the West Coast with the rest of the U.S. Donner Pass spans approximately 7 miles along Interstate 80, I-80, in the Sierra Nevada mountains, although the steady climb eastbound is closer to 40 miles. Is located at an elevation of about 7,056 feet, or 2,164 meters. It serves as a critical passage through the Sierra Nevada, linking California and Nevada, and is particularly significant for both commercial and recreational vehicles. Donner Pass has a rich history, being the site of the ill-fated Donner Party in the 1840s, who faced extreme hardship while trying to cross the mountains. The Donner Party was a group of American pioneers who set out for California in 1846 but became trapped by heavy snowfall in the Sierra Nevada mountains during the winter. The party consisted of about 87 members, including families, and faced a series of hardships leading to tragedy. The Donner Party left Springfield, Illinois, in April 1846, intending to reach California. They took an untested shortcut known as the Hastings Cutoff, which significantly delayed their journey. By late October 1846, the party reached Donner Pass. After getting stuck in the snow, they were unable to proceed. The heavy snowfall began in earnest, and they were trapped for several months. As supplies dwindled, the group faced extreme conditions, including starvation. Some members attempted to travel back for help but encountered harsh conditions. Reports suggest that some resorted to cannibalism to survive, consuming the bodies of those who had died. Donner Pass is notorious for severe winter weather, with heavy snow, ice, and blizzards being common. During major snowstorms, trucks are often required to use chains to navigate the icy roads safely. The California Department of Transportation, Caltrans, often issues chain controls or temporary road closures during heavy snowfalls to prevent accidents. Chain control checkpoints are often set up in winter, and truckers must comply with these requirements to continue driving. Caltrans provides real-time updates on road conditions and chain requirements. Sudden road closures due to snow or accidents can cause significant delays, impacting delivery schedules.